Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have an Apple Find My kind of wallet card. Oops, dropped everything here. Let me show you guys what it looks like here. This is what it looks like here. It's a nice thin little card. It even has a little hold there if you want to put on a keychain. And the way it kind of works is you hold it down to get it started. And then on your Find My, you do add and you choose other item. So then it'll start looking for the item here. Hopefully it'll find it. Here, 1 second, I just dropped all my instructions, but it is looking currently. And there it found it. It says B003. I hit connect, and I'm just gonna call it B003. You can call it luggage or anything you want. And then you pick an emoji for it. I'll just choose a smiley face. And then I agree because it links it to my account. And then at this point, I have a item here, and it looks like it's going to be rechargeable by putting it on a magnetic charger. It's like, but I can play a sound, and it plays the sound. I can stop, I can hit directions to it, and it works just like an AirTag kind of would, but it's a nice little card. How cool is that? So if you're looking for an AirTag card, it was super simple to set up. You saw I just held down the button to make it go. Sorry, I just dropped all the paperwork for it. Right here, but here's the instructions here. It's got the function button there, and basically just works. Pretty cool. So I like it. So if you need a little Find My card, this one's gonna be a winner. Thumbs up for sure. Very nice.